welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, hi, my name is Prarthana Banerjee and welcome to my birthday eve video. Yes, I am filming this right now. After this I'll edit it and this video is going to go live today itself. And yeah, I did a little birthday glow up and I'm filming this video for the second time. The first time there was lipstick all over my teeth and that's why I had to discard that video and film it once again, but so worth it because yeah, I am anyway excited. It's my birthday eve and yeah, I did some skincare and I washed my hair. It is still drying, so that's why it's a little messy. Please just ignore that. I'm going to set it for my birthday, that is tomorrow. But yeah, I did some skincare, I did my nails, and yeah, this is like French manicure-ish nails. So if you're interested to know what skincare I did, how did I shave my face, how did I actually paint these nails, in that case, please keep on watching.
Hold up.
Now, for the skincare, you guys know I am a huge believer of using vitamin C in my skincare routine, and recently I received as a birthday month hamper, I received basically a whole range of vitamin C and I have not stopped using it ever since. I am absolutely obsessed with the range and I sincerely, that is the reason why I used it today. And yes, for the first product that I used is the vitamin C foaming face wash, and of course the range is by Wow. I'll tell you why I chose Wow later on in the video, but yes, let me just tell you what are the products that I used for my birthday glow up and why. Now, the first product that I used is the Wow Skin Science Brightening Vitamin C Foaming Face Wash. Now, the first thing that I love about these face washes is the silicone brush. It is the built-in silicone brush. It is extremely mild. It is not harsh at all, and this also saves me from scrubbing my face, and I am very scared of scrubbing my face. In general, I usually stay away from scrubs, and this saves my day altogether. So this is the first product that I used. So the best part about these face washes is that it is going to deeply cleanse your skin and still not leave your skin dry. That is the most important thing for me that I need in a face wash. And guys, this smells so beautiful, so good. It is going to deeply cleanse your skin without leaving your face dry. And yeah, that was my first step, and I used this face wash by Wow, which has vitamin C in it. Now, moving on to the second step of my skincare, I went ahead and shaved my face, and I usually prefer to shave my face when it is absolutely squeaky clean and dry. I don't usually moisturize or anything because I am scared that it will slip and slide or I might end up cutting myself. I have done a very completely dedicated video on shaving your face. I'll link it somewhere right here. You can go ahead and watch it after this video. Now, I used this face razor which looks pretty scary, I know, but I did not get the chance to visit Miniso, so that's why I got this from a Korean store that is nearby, near my place, basically in a mall. So yeah, I basically placed this razor in a downward way, and I shaved it downwards. You want to do it in one singular direction because otherwise you might get ingrowth hair, you might end up cutting yourself, you might end up actually rupturing your skin. But face shaving is something I absolutely love because it leaves your skin so smooth. Tomorrow when I apply makeup for my birthday, I want it to glide on smoothly, and that's exactly why this was my step 2. And I absolutely love shaving my face. It saves me from going to the salon as well. I do my eyebrows, my upper lips, my face, my jawline, everything using this one face razor. And this was my step 2 because after face wash, I knew my face is absolutely dry and squeaky clean. And moving on, I used a mask. So at first I rubbed some ice all across my face to basically close the pores, and then I went ahead and used this vitamin C clay face mask by Wow, which comes with a silicone brush, which I absolutely love, because of which you can save yourself from dunking your hands into the tub, which I feel is a little unhygienic. So you can just take some product out, apply it all across your face. I applied it all across my face. I waited for something like 20 minutes, and once it was semi-dry, I washed the product off. This has Kakadu plum, lemon, orange essential oils, jojoba oil and bentonite clay. Bentonite clay is something that does not really dry your skin out, but it really helps you tighten your skin. And not to forget orange and lemon essential oils. Do I even have to tell you? Orange and lemon essential oils are full of antioxidant, and since they are essential oils, this mask does not dry your skin out. It really helps to soothe your skin, even out your complexion. Mind you, not lighten the complexion, but help you get rid of pigmentation, help you brighten your skin, help you with all the marks that you have due to wearing mask and everything. I started getting some breakouts on my chin, which I'm sure so many of us are facing, and I really battle with not acne, because in general I am not blessed with I am blessed with acne free skin, but I have to fight a lot with the acne marks, and this really helped me get rid of the acne marks and helped me fight those acne marks really quickly. And that's exactly why I used this. This is not going to break your skin out. This is absolutely great. No wonder why I used it today. The last product of my skincare routine for today is the hero product, and that is the Vitamin C Plus Face Serum by Wow Skin Science. Now they have two types of face serum, okay? One is Vitamin C, one is Vitamin C Plus. I'll highly recommend you to go ahead and use the Vitamin C Plus face serum. However, you can use the Vitamin C serum as well. You guys know I have been using some or other kind of Vitamin C serum through and through since the beginning of this year, and I'm a big fan, and I see myself going ahead and purchasing this serum even after this one gets over. That's how amazing it is. It sincerely is great. It has 20% of vitamin C. Usually the drugstore brands that you get in the market, they don't have such high concentration of vitamin C. 20% of vitamin C is absolutely great. Not just that, it also has hyaluronic acid, I just stammered for a second, and telluric acid, which is going to deeply hydrate your skin. The vitamin C serum is actually going to nourish your skin, help you detexturize your skin, help you get rid of your marks, your pigmentation, all the kind of patchiness that you have with regular use. This is absolutely great, you guys. Plus this is actually oil free, because of which it is absolutely great even for oily skin types. I know so many of us out there, oily skin beauties out there, are so scared to go ahead and use a serum because it clogs your pores. It is not. This one is not going to do that. All you need to do is take a pea-sized amount and you just want to press it all across your face. Don't pull or rub or tug your skin. It is really bad. So this was the last product that I used. I just took a pea-sized amount and just press it all over my face. My face felt so moisturized that I actually skipped out on a regular moisturizer altogether. This did the job for me. However, you can go ahead and use a moisturizer, especially if you are using this at night. But since for my birthday glow up, it was daytime, I did not need any kind of extra moisturization. And yes, this is the hero product. If you want to invest in just one product, however, even though I'll actually recommend you to go ahead and get this whole vitamin C range, because obviously, firstly, it's Wow. Why Wow Skin Science? Because it is 100% vegan. It is cruelty free, which is why it is a brand I truly believe in. Cruelty free, 100% vegan, paraben free, silicone free, mineral oil free, and it is made from 100% natural ingredients, you guys. And by ingredients, even the water that they use are from the Himalayan streams. So you know that the products that you're using has the highest quality ingredients present in them. So that's why I will always recommend you to go ahead and get products from the Wow Skin Science, range in general. Plus, vitamin C is something that really has a lot of antioxidants and healing and hydrating properties altogether. It is deeply going to nourish your skin. Go ahead and get the whole range. And however, if you want to just invest in just one product, go ahead and get the vitamin C serum. And above everything, Wow is made in India. That is all the more reason why you should go ahead and get products from Wow Skin Science, and they believe in women empowerment because 80% of their workforce are women. So go girls, go and support such a great brand. And the products that the product containers are basically biodegradable, they are good, they are environmental friendly. What more do you need? Like, I know right now it feels like I'm selling the brand altogether, but I cannot help it. It is a brand that I sincerely believe in, and it is a brand, like, these are the products that I actually use, and I have used it pre-birthday. So all the more reason why you can trust me and go ahead and get products from Wow. If you're wondering how, I will recommend you to go and get the products from the Wow Skin Science app. Yes, they have launched their app that is available on both iOS and Android. I'll put a screen recording somewhere on the screen itself, either left or right. And yes, it is easy to navigate, easy to use. You will get personalized offers, and yes, they will deliver it at your location. And it is so easy to use. And not just that, guys, once you get the product, you will see a barcode like this present either on the packaging of the product or on the product itself. You can go ahead and scan that barcode so that you're assured that yes, it is an authentic product that you're getting. And not just that, once you go ahead and scan the barcode through the Wow Skin Science app, you're going to get some reward points that you can redeem for your next purchase. So that's a win-win situation altogether. And that's literally it, you guys. Like, I use just that for my skin care, for my face basically. For my body care, it is the same old. I use a particular oil. You guys know what it is, and I have mentioned it in my skincare routine. And if you do not know already, have you not watched it, I will highly recommend you to go and watch my skincare routine. I'll link it over here. And that's all my body care is. And yes, tomorrow I'm going to use the lotion by Bath & Body Works 1000 Wishes. I have mentioned it in another video as well. So that is what I'm going to use tomorrow, but today I stick to my regular body care routine. Now coming to the nails, I did these French nailish kind of thing, and yes, I did this at home because I personally wanted to get gel nails, but due to the COVID situation, I could not really, I'm a little skeptical to go to salons, even though I know you must be thinking, girl, you are going and eating outside, what about that? I make sure that I'm going to really either top-notch restaurants or 5-star restaurants where I know that sanitization and everything is absolutely perfect. So that's why I'm not just going out and eating street food or anything, or any roadside restaurant or cafe per se. And I'm sure the salons out there are absolutely fine as well, but I personally am a little skeptical. So that's why I decided to do my nails at home. And yes, this is so chic, so sophisticated, so elegant, nude and white. This is very similar to the French nails that you get. And yes, in the next frame, I'll be seeing you through, like, I'll be showing you how I did my nails through a voiceover. So if you're interested to know how I did my nails, in that case, just stay with me. Time to do my birthday nails, and I originally had planned to get gel nails, but okay, I have probably explained it in my video why I did not get gel nails. So for that, for birthday nails at home, I have my nail polish remover, I have a nude nail polish, a white, a clear nail polish, some cotton. I usually use sellotape, but today I'm going to use this brush for some more precision, and of course a nail buffer. So for starters, I am going to take some of this. This nail broke like from here around a month back. That's why it's like too short, but I don't want my other nails to be that short. That's why I did not shape them off for according to that one's size. Now that my nail polish is removed, I'm going to very quickly, very lightly shape my nails. So I'm going to take this nail filer right here. Although they are not too badly shaped right now. So a lot of people actually go ahead and do it from the top. You want to place it like this and then do it, okay? I've quickly filed the nails of both my hands in a round manner. This one couldn't be too round because it's too short. Now I'm going to take this nude nail polish. Now is the real challenge, that is applying the nail polish of your right hand with your left hand, but we're gonna try. So I went ahead and applied the second layer on my nails, and you can actually make it dry quickly by dipping your nails in some ice water. It actually helps. Nevertheless, once you are done with this part, you can just go ahead and apply a sellotape across your nails and then go ahead and apply your white nail polish. But very sadly, I cannot find my sellotape right now. So we're gonna try it with this brush, but at first, so I won't lie, I'm a little scared because I did not really ever try it just like that, but we're gonna try and see how that works out. So I'm gonna apply it across and then fix it with the brush. Let's just start with this one, okay guys? So this actually gives a very French manicure effect, and once you go ahead and apply the clear nail polish, it is going to look really polished. So we're done with the French manicure effect for these nails, and I'm gonna leave these nails just like that because firstly they're too short, and secondly if I apply this one, you know, we use a lot of turmeric in Indian food, so it won't end up looking that fine. So once it has dried down, you want to take some clear nail polish like this one and you want to apply it for a more polished look. And that's it guys, here are the nails, and I applied a layer of this clear nail polish on this one as well for some longevity. And yeah, I'm waiting for these to dry. Once these dry out, it is going to look absolutely gorgeous, and it might look a little imperfect up close, but guys, it's done at home, you are doing it, and from a distance it looks absolutely perfect. I absolutely love doing this, and yeah, my birthday nails are ready, you guys. So that you're notified every time I upload a video, give this video a big thumbs up, and I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys next with my birthday vlog. So excited, and yeah, I'll see you guys very soon. Bye guys.